A video appears online, dark music, explosive graphics, military targets marked in the red. And within hours, it sparks global alarm. Did Iran just threaten to destroy a major American airbase? That is the question spreading across defense circles, intelligence agencies, and social media platforms. But to understand the truth here, we need to slow down and look carefully. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Triti Yatri. Now, over the weekend, several channels linked to Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps began circulating a dramatic video online. The visuals were chilling, by the way: runways, fighter jets parked in formation, military strike simulation here, warning messages flashing across the screen. And one location highlighted repeatedly there: Muwafaq Salti Air Base. This airbase is located in Jordan. It is a strategic air hub used in several joint operations involving the US and allied forces. And that is why this particular video instantly grabbed the global attention. The footage began spreading rapidly across platforms like Instagram and X. Within hours, millions had watched it. Within hours, speculations exploded. Was this a direct military threat? Was this psychological warfare? Or was this simply propaganda designed to send a message here? Well, the video shows what appears to be detailed satellite-style images of the airbase. Aircraft parking zone, defensive infrastructure, runway layouts, and then warning text appears. Hints of full-scale war, suggestions of massive retaliatory strikes. The tone is unmistakably aggressive, by the way, but here's the twist. Security analysts quickly began questioning the authenticity of the visuals. Many experts believe that the footage is AI-generated propaganda, not any real strike planning footage, not confirmed military intelligence, but a digital intimidation tactic. And ladies and gentlemen, in modern warfare, propaganda videos can be as powerful as missiles because they shape perception, right? They create fear and they test the political reaction. Well, the timing of this video is also very important. Tensions between Iran and the US have been rising steadily. Military deployment, diplomatic warnings, regional proxy conflict. The Middle East is already walking a fragile tightrope. For Iran, such messaging can signal strength and deterrence. For Washington, it raises security concern and intelligence monitoring. For Jordan, it places the country into a sensitive and uncomfortable position, because hosting foreign military infrastructure often makes a nation strategically important and potentially vulnerable. But here's what is making this story even more dangerous. Modern conflicts are no longer fought only with weapons, right? They are fought through digital influence, through psychological pressure, through online video campaign. And sometimes the goal is not to launch a strike here. The goal is to shape global perception. Military analysts warn that such videos can increase tensions even if they are not official government threats. Because once fear spread, political pressure builds, military alert level rises, and the risk of miscalculation grows. Right now, there is no confirmed official Iranian government announcement declaring an attack plan here, but the circulation of such content shows how fragile the regional situation have become.